Umentri rangba kajela kontrat kisangma ulaong ba unsa bishar sani ban rai lada idan kam ban Pyndait Cctv haki Skul kum kalat ban Tehlakam ban petngor ya kajingrung jang kinong di Drok haki Skul ban haki jaka puli ha kajela habakran bat kilat pathai Khubor umentri rangba ulaong kamlong kabasuk ban bu Cctv habaro ki Skul Henry kum ka Sorkar pan kaha ban pech sani ban bishar bha hakinu ki jaka ban hakinu ki Skul la idan kam ban Pyndait Cctv.
We're examining those aspects. In fact, yesterday in the meeting we had with the police department, this discussion actually came in for discussion. And on a pilot basis, there are certain hotspots in areas we feel that the prevalence of drugs and drug peddlers is more. We are examining those areas. We have asked the department and the NTF people to identify such locations, and we are examining on putting in a pilot basis CCTV cameras so that we can monitor things in a much better manner. So that is there on the cards. But I think to give to all the schools may not be possible at this point. But yes, in a phase-wise manner, we have made a decision to go ahead. But I don't want to talk about it till we actually pass it, in the department and actually sanction funds for it. But yes, it is in our agenda.